package.
Who's the package from?
Who is it?
Who's it from? Do you remember?
Uncle Ryan.
Not Uncle Ryan. Well, who's your other uncle?
Uncle Ryan said there.
No, it's not from Uncle Ryan. It's from Uncle...
But Uncle Spencer gave me that.
Uncle Spencer gave you that. What do you think it's in there? What do you think it is?
Some kind of notebook.
Some kind of notebook. Wouldn't that be fun if it was a notebook?
I need some hope.
Do you?
Yes.
What do you think I should do to help you?
Because I need some hope with this.
What is that?
It's packets. Can you see it? Yeah. Can you help me?
Okay. Now sit down over there. I'll help you. So, Lena,
What?
how old are you?
I'm 2.5.
What's your name?
Min.
Is your name Min?
Yeah.
No, your name's not Min. Your name is Lena.
Lena.
Lena, what's your middle name?
Eli.
Oh, okay. Sit down over there. Sit down over there. Look at my camera. What's your favorite color? Huh?
It's blue.
Your favorite color is blue? What's your favorite animal?
Uncle Ryan.
Okay, you ready? Here's your package. Show the camera what it is. Oh, you got more in there? Wonderful.
Uncle Ryan gave me something.
Is that from Ryan? Who is it from? What is it?
Cars.
Cars?
Okay.
What do you think about that?
Let's drive them. Let's stick inside. That's not. I want to open it.
Do you? What's that other thing? Oh, it doesn't- the bag is not important. It's all about the cars, huh? Stand back over there. Can you show me your happy dance? Show me your happy dance. You gotta tell Uncle Spencer, thank you, Uncle Spencer.
Where's Uncle Spencer?
Huh?
Where's Uncle Spencer?
Uncle Spencer's in London. Say thank you, Uncle Spencer.
Thank you, Uncle Spencer. And the bear.
What's on your bag? What's the picture on the bag?
Puppy.
A puppy.
Doggy.
Okay, hey, don't grab the screen. Do you want to tell us a story?
No.
Do you want to sing us a song?
No.
Shall we open your box of cars?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Go over there on that corner over there. Do the happy dance for me. Woo! I'm opening this. Wow.
I'll put us back together.
So tell me what you have there.
Cars and bus.
Wow.
Thank you, Uncle Spencer.